Hello everyone, and welcome to Fort Workshop. In this video, we'll take a look at a simple way to make realistic ground for a diorama. For the base, we'll use extruded polystyrene foam. So let's prepare a special mix. First, we add some plaster powder. Then, we'll add some fine sand and crushed tree bark. Next, add some water and mix. We add a bit more plaster to make the mix thicker. And finally, add some PVA glue. Next, we'll color our mix with black and brown paint, using equal proportions. Once it's ready, spread the mixture onto the base. I use a teaspoon to apply it, but you can also use a small spatula. This is the stage where we shape the terrain. After the surface dries a little, we'll add tank track marks for extra realism. Now it's time for painting. We'll use the same black and brown colors, but in different proportions to create several shades. The sides of the diorama base are painted solid black. Once the surface is fully dry, we'll make the ground look wetter and muddier. The trick here is to apply a glossy varnish. For that, I'll be using acrylic varnish from Ammo MIG. And that's it. The ground for our diorama is ready. From here, depending on the scene you're creating, you can add grass, small branches, rocks, and other details. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.